It's a long, rugged road I'm going down, and I sure doubt there's an exit to be found. So I'll just keep my eyes pointed to the ground.
What you're seeing and hearing is part of a performance from the best quality sound studio in Nashville, Tennessee, with some of the best studio musicians in the country, and front and center is Brooks Baylis. Now, Brooks has been right here on the Mid-South Audio stage before, but he's since found himself writing and recording more sophisticated tunes with some prestigious help. With us this afternoon is Brooks Baylis, joined by Bobby Lewis. Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. So, where you been? What have you been up to since we last saw you?
Basically, writing and recording, and I try to promote my YouTube channel as much as possible.
Yeah. Now, I understand that your son has gained some honors.
Oh, yes. He's a successful producer, songwriter, musician in Nashville now, and one of his main works was working with Jelly Roll's first 2 albums.
Really?
And on the first album, he wrote 9 and produced 9 songs, and this last album, Witzit Chapel, about 6 songs he co-wrote and produced those.
Oh my goodness.
But I think Brantley Gilbert is the one that's got him his latest gold record, a guy named Brantley Gilbert, which a lot of people may have heard of.
Yeah.
So he's busy.
You're not just a little bit proud of him.
Yeah, he's
Just
doing
a
a good
smidge.
job.
Just a touch.
And he took time out of his busy schedule to let me go there, and
Yeah.
I told him I'd written some songs. Go in the studio and let's put them on.
And do them.
So he did.
So where can we hear your music?
Go to Brooks Baylis on YouTube, the Saxman Sessions from Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay, and we'll of course have links for that on.
Yeah, even if you just put Brooks Baylis, you'll go right
you'll find
to
it. You'll find it right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you doing for us today?
One song I wrote is called Long Rugged Road, and we're
Yeah.
going to do that for you today.
Okay, you do another one too?
Later on, we'll do another one.
What are you doing? What is it? Don't tease me like this. You got to tell me what it is.
When You Say Goodbye will be my second one later on.
Looking forward
Yeah.
to it. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for being here. It's great to have you. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, from the Mid-South Audio stage, Brooks Baylis.
It's a long, rugged road I'm going down, and I sure doubt there's an exit to be found. So I'll just keep my eyes pointed to the ground, 'cause it's a long, rugged road I'm going down. Sometimes I think I'd like to settle down, but on this old road, it's so hard to turn around. I wish a better way to live could be found, 'cause it's a long, rugged road I'm going down. And this road keeps on winding, and I just keep on finding that the future's no better than the past. And it's a long, rugged road I'm going down, and I sure doubt there's an exit to be found. So I'll just keep my eyes pointed to the ground, 'cause it's a long, rugged road I'm going down. Yeah, it's a long, rugged road I'm going down.
First, here's one more song from Brooks Baylis on the Mid-South Audio stage. Have a great weekend.
The music has been silent for so long now. I just find it hard to sing with all this hurt inside. The happy songs that made me smile, and the sad songs that made me cry. The music just stopped when you said goodbye. I know time, it brings changes to all of us, but I thought our love could stand the test of time. I see a sad and lonely face I know my mirror doesn't lie. The music just stopped when you said goodbye. The music all stopped when you said goodbye. I just find it hard to sing with all this hurt inside. The happy songs that made me smile, and the sad songs that made me cry. The music just stopped when you said goodbye.